Traveling light makes every trip smoother. No more dragging heavy suitcases, waiting at baggage claim, or paying extra fees. A minimal luggage approach means more freedom, faster transitions, and a stress-free journey. Start with the right bag. A well-designed carry-on or a compact backpack should fit everything needed. Airlines have strict size limits, so check before flying. A 35 to 40-liter backpack usually meets most carry-on requirements. Choose versatile clothing. Neutral colors and lightweight, wrinkle-resistant fabrics allow for easy mix-and-match outfits. Instead of packing multiple pairs of shoes, bring one comfortable pair that works for walking, casual outings, and even light hiking. Use packing cubes to keep items organized. Roll clothes instead of folding to save space and prevent wrinkles. Compression bags can reduce bulk even further. Limit toiletries. Most essentials are available in travel sizes, and hotels often provide basics like shampoo and soap. A solid shampoo bar eliminates liquid restrictions and lasts longer. If checking into accommodations with provided amenities, skip packing extra toiletries. Technology and documents should stay minimal. A phone with essential apps, a power bank, and a lightweight adapter for international travel cover most needs. Digital copies of important documents reduce the risk of losing paperwork. Instead of a bulky wallet, carry only necessary cards, Idaho, and a small amount of cash. A slim travel pouch or money belt keeps valuables safe and easily accessible. For long flights, bring a lightweight travel blanket or a compact inflatable pillow instead of bulky alternatives. A reusable water bottle saves money and reduces waste. Minimal luggage means faster travel, easier packing, and a stress-free experience. Choosing the right bag, packing smart, and keeping essentials compact makes every trip smoother. Traveling light isn't just about packing less, it's about making every journey more enjoyable.